No. Oh. We entered new year with new rehouses, and now we are going to continue like that. And also some decided to enter this new year with brand new clothes. You see, this is Sashenka's molt. Yeah, this is kind of bittersweet. You know, Sashenka is Grammostola rosea, just like Sasha, my first tarantula. And we actually paired them, but because she molted, it means that pairing was not successful and she won't be having any babies. So that means Sasha will need to do it all over again. But of course, after she hardens and have a couple of big meals, because we don't want her to be hungry, of course. That wouldn't be the smartest move. And you see, these are her new clothes. I will try to get her to move a bit, so we can get a better look at it. Hey Sashenka, do you mind to stroll for us? Just for a quick bit? No, you will just ignore my pokes. Oh, now, there. Not the straw, but at least she moved. And also, what is the good thing? I managed to record a time-lapse of her molt, so let's enjoy that. It actually passed a real long time since last time I managed to record an actual molt. So I was super excited when I spotted that she's on her back preparing to molt. It would be better if I spotted her preparing for molt before she flipped, but oh well, you can't have it all. So let me now actually tell you what I planned, what I prepared for this video. As you can see, there are a bunch of enclosures on the table, because as I said, I want to do a rehouse, a couple of rehouses. But there is a problem, and let me show you what's the actual problem. As I showed you in last video, this is my bucket for substrate. You see, this is all the substrate that I have left. I was whining how I'm super low on substrate. And for this video I got brand new substrate. This is a bag of potting soil, and this is also a bag of cocoa fiber. You know that I like to mix them 50% of potting soil and 50% of cocoa fiber, but here is my problem. Cocoa fiber comes as dehydrated brick, and then you add moisture, you add water inside, and then the brick absorbs that water and becomes like a substrate thingy. But the problem is this brick is for some reason not taking any water. You see, it was standing like this for half an hour and it is still super solid, you see? And I don't know what is the reason. Maybe because I had it outside in my car, so maybe now it is too cold to absorb moisture, or maybe it is too old because I noticed that. Check it out. You see how this side of package actually changed color compared to this. It means that you can see it even better here. You see how it changed color. It means that this package is real long, and I don't think that cocoa fiber can go bad, but there is something, definitely something weird with this cocoa fiber brick. So now I am in a bit of pickle because once again I don't have enough substrate. Maybe I have enough substrate if I mix a bit of substrate that I have left with potting soil. If I mix that too, I will maybe have enough to set up this enclosure, but then I won't have enough for these two tarantulas. So I don't really know. Let's try and do that, and then we will time jump for one day, and hopefully by that time the brick will actually expand and absorb the moisture. I don't know. But the tarantulas that I want to rehouse, it is Poecilotheria miranda. She will go into this enclosure. And these two that I showed 2 videos ago, first one is, as you know, Chilobrachys huahini male. A lot of you asked why is he in such a small enclosure when you compare it with a female. She got like 5 times, actually even more times bigger enclosure than his. And I explained in multiple videos why while male tarantula are being kept in much smaller enclosures than female. So I won't repeat myself again, but we are going to rehouse him and also the Chilobrachys Vietnam blue female. We are going to rehouse both of them into new bigger tubs. But that is after the time jump. First we are going to rehouse Miranda if we can finish her enclosure before the time jump. This is already a weird video. As I said, we are going to use this enclosure. Everything is already prepared. The background is already aside. This is the mesh that separates drainage layer. This is height. So first we need to add clay balls as a drainage layer, you know. Now I put the mesh that will separate it from the substrate because you don't want your substrate to fall in the clay balls. Okay, there's that. Now let's figure out the substrate. This is the amount that I have left, definitely not enough, but we are going to get this inside, and also this one is moist, so this dry substrate will immediately become more moist. And I don't really know how much I need. I will just put some amount and we will see. I think a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. Need to break all the pieces that are holding together, you see. I don't want them in my mixture. Now let's see if that will be enough. So far so good. I think that we will have more than enough. Excellent. At least I will finish this enclosure today. I'm kind of working on something else, some new secret thing that you will find out what it is next week. So my time is really limited, and that's why today's setback is a bit unfortunate. Now I'll just plug the cork bark inside, and I have a plant that is going here in the back. Not a big plant, but better something than nothing, right? More substrate to fill all the holes, to fill all the free spots, yes. And also inside the cork bark. There we go, slowly getting there, but I still need to compress everything. Then we will need to add the leaf litter, then we need to add springtails, and then finally we can add the tarantula. Excellent! The enclosure looks like my every other arboreal enclosure, which is exactly what I want for now. In the future I want to experiment more. Definitely I want to add some different backgrounds and maybe different types of substrates and especially greater plant variety, but for now this is all the materials that I have, so I cannot make different enclosures if I don't have different materials for the actual builds, but I'm still satisfied with my enclosures. Now let's check out the tarantula. You can spot her booty right there. I'm going to grab the entire cork bark and then we can work it out from there. I really don't know what I can expect from her. Usually she gets really bolty when I shine some light, so this can go from 0 to 100 really quickly. I need a straw. Here's my straw so we can poke, which is exactly what we like. Poke, poke. And how do you feel about that? She doesn't know how to feel. It seems that she's... Oh, or not. I thought that, oh yeah, you see? She really doesn't like the light. She wanted to bolt out, but then she stopped when she figured out that there is a bright light outside. So I will try to do it like this. I would like her to go directly in the enclosure. So, set it up like that and poke her from this angle. Then, in theory, she should go straight into the enclosure, but you see she doesn't like the light. What are you doing? She doesn't want to go out on the open. Oh, she's biting the straw now. Beautiful. Come on, we don't have time for that. There is a big dark cork bark waiting for you, but for that you need to get that booty out. Check it out. It is definitely a different pattern. I don't actually see her like at all because of how she hates light. So this is a nice thing to witness. Wiggle, wiggle. She's really not a fan of my idea. Come on. Oh, yes. Here is Poecilotheria miranda, and I still don't know if she's male or female. No idea. I need you to move just a little bit. Yes, 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 that's the idea. Okay, sweet. She's basically inside, very nice. I want to take some pictures. And now I can move her a bit to see if I can get a better position. And she's also not happy about that either. Yeah, this is definitely better position, very nice. I'm starting to take more pictures because I want them for the actual website, the Dark Den website. Because over there I want pictures of all the tarantulas that are inside of the Dark Den. That are and that were in the Dark Den. Oh well, I guess this is everything that we will receive from her, so I think that it is safe to just close off her enclosure now and let her enjoy it now. Oh no, I messed it up. I cannot close the door because the cork bark is too far out. Oh no! Hopefully I will be able... No, I'll just break this part, but I need two hands. Well, this was a stupid mistake. And I would like to move the tarantula because I don't want to have any bolts into wrong directions. Yes, go there. Perfect. Now I can do this more easily. Can I close it off now? Yes, I can. Okay, now as I said, one time jump, I'm back and the enclosures are already prepared. For huahini male I provided this cork bark so he can hide a bit, and for Vietnam blue there is more substrate inside so she can start here and dig a tunnel all the way there. So hopefully now this will be a quick operation. Unless they start to bolt all of a sudden. I mean, they are Asian tarantulas, so you know that stuff like that can easily happen. Maybe I'll be able to do this easily. Some pokes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm just here to move you in your new enclosure. Oh, yeah, you're going to be a defensive, huh? Look at those fangs, those tiny fangs. I guess we will need to do this differently. Yeah, whatever, man. Whoa, he's actually biting. Dude, I don't have time for this. Please, just go, yeah. No bolts now, just slowly stroll inside. Okay. Yeah, that's your new place. See that we can all be super calm and everything can be convenient and easy. Thank you. Quickly, lid. No. Bruh. Got him. I was faster than you. Excellent. Now let's see what the Vietnam blue female prepared for us. She's a bit smaller, so I don't know what really to expect, but I will try to do it like same way. Yeah, she's already there. No. Oh. Why am I always acting surprised? Of course that Asian tarantula will bite the straw when you poke it. It is not something that is surprising, right? That is what they do. Just bite everything and slap. Okay, I need a different approach. Really good tactics, right? She is mad, but not too much, right? You will have more space now, so there is actually a reason to be happy. And now a few delicate pokes, and off we go. She really needs to hold on to that. Can you let it go now? Thank you. Enjoy it now, you no longer need to be mad, because I'm closing your enclosure off. There, enjoy your peace. Yeah, now we are done. And next Monday, expect a big news. Until then, I mean, there will be a video on Friday, of course. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up and comment something. If you want to support this channel even more, there's a Patreon page. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I upload every Monday and Friday. So see you again soon. Bye.